Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Your business has a contact form on its website, right? Then you need to know about a new sophisticated cyber attack. As email security gets better and better at preventing malicious messages from reaching you, cybercriminals are inventing new ways to infect systems. Their latest technique uses the contact form on a business's website. They fill in the form to start a conversation, pretending to be a potential customer. When you email your reply, they send a file, claiming it's relevant to your conversation. It's sent using a file sharing service such as WeTransfer to bypass your email's account security. If you open and run the file, bad news. You've given the criminals access to your device. This can lead to a ransomware attack where your files are encrypted until you pay a huge ransom fee. The best defense against this new kind of attack is training for your staff. Can we help protect your business from all security threats? Give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.